Is the Dave's Hot Chicken Reaper Tender really that hot? Well, here we go. Let's give this a try. Oh, fuck. Oh, my nose is burning right now. My mouth is on fire. Dip it in a little sauce. I don't know why I keep eating more. Should probably stop. Maybe a pick. Oh, fuck. Hiccups. Pickle. Whoo! Oh. Oh my god. Holy shit. I can verify that all the people in the videos are not overreacting. This is the hottest thing I've ever ate in my life. Oh. Oh. Make sure you hit Make sure you hit that like and follow button, please. Just an update. It's been 5 minutes. 2 glasses of milk later. And my mouth is still burning. Drop a comment down below if you think you can handle the Reaper.